How to get marketplace icon on your Android device. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook on your device, and if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to log into the account where you want the marketplace icon. So here in the upper section you can see there is no any icon for marketplace. So in order to make it visible, you have to go for the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and you have to go to the settings. In the settings you have to scroll down below a little bit where you'll be able to see the navigation bar. So go through it, and here you have to customize the bar, and you'll be able to see the various available shortcuts. So here you can also see there is a marketplace option. The right hand side there is auto option and drop down sign. So you have to tap on drop down option, and here you have to select the pin option, and after doing that the marketplace has been pinned. So and after that you can go back and see the marketplace will be pinned up on your screen on the home page of the Facebook. So by following this simple step you can get marketplace icon on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.